Data breach notification is a critical legal requirement that organizations must understand and follow. When personal data is compromised or accessed without authorization, companies have specific obligations to notify affected individuals and regulatory authorities. These requirements vary significantly by country, state, and industry, making it essential for businesses to know their specific rules. A data breach occurs when unauthorized individuals gain access to, steal, or compromise personal information. This can include names, email addresses, passwords, financial information, social security numbers, or medical records. Breaches can happen through hacking, malware attacks, accidental exposure, insider threats, or physical theft of devices. The key element is that sensitive data becomes accessible to parties who should not have access to it. Data breach notification serves multiple critical purposes. First, it protects individuals by allowing them to monitor their accounts and take preventive action against identity theft. Second, it holds organizations accountable for their security practices. Third, it enables regulatory bodies to track breach trends and enforce compliance. Without notification requirements, individuals would remain vulnerable and unaware of risks to their personal information. Major regulations governing data breach notifications include the General Data Protection Regulation, known as GDPR, in Europe, which requires notification within 72 hours. The California Consumer Privacy Act, or CCPA, mandates notification without unreasonable delay. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA, covers healthcare data. The Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or PCI DSS, applies to payment information. Additionally, most U.S. states have their own notification laws with varying timelines and requirements. Timing is everything in breach notification. The General Data Protection Regulation requires notification to authorities within 72 hours of discovering the breach. California law requires notification without unreasonable delay, typically interpreted as 30 days. Some states require notification as quickly as possible. The key is to establish the breach discovery date accurately and begin your notification process immediately. Delays can result in significant penalties and loss of trust. Multiple parties must be notified depending on the breach severity and applicable laws. Affected individuals whose data was compromised must receive direct notification. State and federal authorities typically require notification if a certain number of records are breached. The General Data Protection Regulation requires notification to data protection authorities. Credit bureaus and media outlets may need notification if the breach is large enough. Additionally, business partners and customers who rely on your data security may need to be informed. Breach notifications must include specific information to be effective and compliant. Describe the nature of the breach, including what type of data was compromised. Provide the date or approximate date of the breach discovery. Explain the potential risks to affected individuals. Include steps that individuals should take to protect themselves. Provide contact information for more details and support. Describe measures the organization is taking to prevent future breaches. Avoid overly technical language so affected individuals can understand the risks. Organizations can use multiple channels to notify affected individuals. Written notice via email is common and provides a record of notification. Direct mail to last known addresses ensures physical documentation. Telephone calls can reach individuals quickly for severe breaches. Posted notices on websites inform current and former customers. Media announcements may be necessary for large-scale breaches affecting thousands of people. The choice depends on breach severity, the number of affected individuals, and regulatory requirements. Most laws require written documentation of notification. A structured incident response plan is essential for managing breaches effectively. First, detect and confirm the breach by investigating unauthorized access or data exposure. Second, contain the breach by isolating affected systems and stopping further data loss. Third, investigate the breach to understand how it occurred and what data was compromised. Fourth, Notify all required parties within legal timeframes. Fifth, provide remediation services, such as credit monitoring, to affected individuals. Finally, document every step of this process for regulatory review and legal protection. Organizations should implement comprehensive strategies to manage breach notification risks. Prevention is paramount, so invest in strong encryption, regular security audits, and employee training. Preparedness is critical, so develop an incident response plan before a breach occurs and identify notification recipients in advance. Act quickly and transparently when a breach happens, as delays increase penalties and damage trust. Ensure compliance with all applicable regulations in jurisdictions where you operate. Remember that transparency and accountability reduce both legal penalties and reputational damage. Effective breach management requires a multi-layered approach. Prevention through robust security controls, data encryption, and regular penetration testing reduces breach likelihood. Preparedness involves having incident response plans, designated roles, and prearranged legal counsel before emergencies occur. Quick and transparent communication with affected parties demonstrates accountability and reduces legal exposure. Regulatory compliance across all applicable jurisdictions is mandatory, not optional. Organizations that invest in prevention and preparedness respond faster, incur lower costs, and maintain greater public trust after incidents. Finally, conduct post-breach reviews to continuously improve security measures and response procedures.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.